GettyMark Thompson While technically very impressive, there's no getting around the fact that F1's 1.6-liter V6 turbo engines don't sound good at all. F1's new owners Liberty Media realize this, and they've come up with a pretty unorthodox solution. Reuters reports that F1 is looking to install microphones in its car's exhausts to help boost the volume on TV. Advertisement. Continue reading below. According to Sean Bratches, F1's commercial director, Australian broadcaster David Hill is working on this project. He's working with a German concern to develop a ceramic microphone that we can actually adhere to the exhaust pipe to get the true amplification of sound for fans, Bratches told Reuters. This is the first time we've ever heard of a racing series develop this sort of technology, and it speaks to the specific challenges of F1. The series wants to see itself as a technical leader, hence turbocharged hybrid V6s, but that often comes at the expense of the visceral experience fans demand. It's not a problem NASCAR has. So will these microphones work? We'll have to wait until F1 implements this system to find out, and that's if they go through with it at all. Microphones, presumably, would make the cars louder for the TV audience, but they won't change their sonic signature. At the end of the day, a turbocharged V6 can only ever sound like a turbocharged V6. Via the drive.